Pakistan, the United States has many religions represented within our borders. So as many of you may know, I come from New York City, which is one of the primary melting pots, the blending of different cultures and religions in the United States. So in my hometown in New York, Muslims, Jews, Hindus, agnostics, ape of these great programs that we have to expand your opportunity and work together and learn about the United States and bring back all that knowledge to Pakistan to make Pakistan stronger and better. So I commend the efforts of the Islamic Studies Department at Karachi University to promote a deep understanding of Islam and of other religions. Your quest for diverse religious perspectives is building a strong foundation for your students and your country's future. For the students in our audience, there is an important space for the scholars you all are becoming to help shape and inform the debate surrounding the political, religious, economic, and social challenges of our world today. So, to conclude, in the beginning I talked and I mentioned a little bit about what Quaid-i-Azam said on religious tolerance. So I want to end with some words from one of America's original founding fathers, President Thomas Jefferson, who said, "The constitutional freedom of religion is the most inalienable and sacred of all human rights." Shukriya, bahut shukriya, and thank you for all your time and attention.